Customizing your Elder Scrolls. Online experience with community add-ons, ESO files are part of the add-on system that extends the game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and manage these Elder Scrolls Online add-on files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any ESO file. Let's try the simple solutions first. ESO files are add-on component files for the Elder Scrolls Online, the massively multiplayer online RPG by ZeniMax Online Studios. They contain UI modifications, gameplay enhancements, quality of life improvements, and custom interface elements created by the community using the Lua scripting language and the ESO Add-on API. Elder Scrolls. Online add-on files use Lua script format with XML-based manifest and settings files. Add-ons access the game's add-on API for UI modification data tracking and gameplay enhancement. The structure includes a manifest TXT file with metadata, Lua source files, and optional XML layout definitions for custom interface panels. The preferred application for managing the ESO file is the Elder Scrolls Online from ZeniMax Online Studios. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows cannot interpret most game file content, so opening or using them requires the game or dedicated tools. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your ESO file and select Open With. If the Elder Scrolls Online is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. When your ESO file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent ESO file error. First, installing add-ons manually. Copy the ESO add-on folder to your Elder Scrolls Online Live add-ons, directory typically located in Documents. Elder Scrolls Online Live add-ons on Windows. Each add-on should be in its own subfolder. Launch the game and enable the add-on from the Add-ons menu at the character selection screen. Next, using Minion Add-on Manager. Download Minion, the free ESO add-on manager from minion.moui.com. Minion automatically discovers your ESO installation and provides a searchable library of community add-ons. Install, update, and manage all your add-ons through the Minion interface without manual file copying or folder management. Finally, Troubleshooting Add-Ons. If an add-on causes errors after a game update, check for updates through Minion or the add-ons page on SOE.com. Outdated add-ons can cause UI errors or crashes. Disable problematic add-ons from the in-game add-ons menu to isolate issues and re-enable them after the developer releases a compatible update. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.